Motion on the urgent need to halt the incessant spate of killings and boundary disputes in parts of Odukpani. The Senate notes that Cross River State is a land blessed with significant tourism potential, large forest reserves, mineral resources, and numerous agricultural products. Further notes that Odukpani local government area of Cross River State, which is one of the largest local government areas in the state, boasts of large amounts of mineral deposits and is comprised of rivers with massive fishing potential, which when optimized can be traded both locally and internationally. Aware that in recent times, Odukpani local government area in particular, and Cross River State in general, has been plagued by land and boundary disputes, and most recently, a long-lasting boundary dispute between Ukwa community of Odukpani and Isu community of Abia State has claimed a substantial number of lives and destroyed properties. Also aware that the disputes between these communities, which results in skirmishes all year round, is especially exacerbated during the farming season, when there are claims and counterclaims of land encroachments by both parties. Worried that if the situation in Odukpani local government area and in other parts of Cross River State is not brought to an end, the laudable policy initiatives of both federal and state governments aimed at addressing the infrastructure gaps being faced by our country will be forestalled, as there can be no development where violence exists. Concerned that the peace and harmony, as well as the agricultural and mineral deposit potential of Odukpani local government area, is being threatened by the ceaseless and disturbing activities of the warring factions. Further concerned that there may be more reprisal attacks by aggrieved parties if government does not move fast to quell the situation and restore peace and order in the communities. Accordingly resolves to condemn the killings and destruction of properties in its totality in Cross River and Abia states in particular, and across the nation in general. Arrest/prosecute the perpetrators immediately. Number 2, observe a minute's silence in honor of those who have lost their lives in this disturbing crisis. Number 3, urge the National Boundary Commission to establish a 6-month time frame within which all boundary disputes relating to Odukpani local government should be addressed through proper and sustainable demarcation of all areas under dispute. Number 4, direct the Inspector General of Police to ensure better security of lives and property in Odukpani local government area, and to immediately establish a mobile police barracks station within the area for easy deployment of trouble spots. Number 5, direct the Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs and Poverty Alleviation and National Emergency Management Agency to immediately begin the process of rendering assistance to all individuals affected by the crisis. I so move, Mr. President.